Hi, it's Amanda. You have found us on the Virtual Woodwind Academy YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you a bunch of alternate fingerings that you can do on the flute. And today I'm going to show you high notes. So, if you are having trouble playing high notes and want to know some easier ways to play them and make them crack less, or maybe help out in a fast passage, I'm just going to go through all of them and we're going to do that together. So grab your flute and let's get started. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you all of the alternate fingerings starting on F through B flat. So we're going to do those notes. Starting with F. This is your regular F fingering. And in terms of an alternate fingering, you can do a forked F where you put this down, basically adding the F sharp key. Makes it a little more stable, makes it crack less. If you can hear, it also brings the pitch down a little bit, so that can be helpful if you play really sharp on that note. The other alternate fingering you can do is a B flat. Use your B flat thumb key for this, and you can overblow it. So I'll do the regular one, and I'll do the B flat fingering. You could definitely hear with that one how flat it is, but if you're playing fast passages, like where the notes are really fast and it just would be easier to play B flat, that is the alternate. Now on to F sharp. F sharp, you can use the middle finger, or you can overblow a harmonic similar to what you did for F natural. So for F sharp, this is the regular fingering. And we can do middle finger instead. Or we can overblow B natural. So I'll do the regular and I'll do the two alternates. So definitely some intonation problems there too, but the harmonic is super helpful when you need it. Okay, now on to G. Hi G, this is our regular fingering. Now for playing in a really, really fast passage where you don't have time to put all of your fingers down, you can overblow a C. If you just blow really hard, the high G will come out. Or if you just want your G to sound better, maybe it's like too sharp or something, what I like to do is put down all of the keys on my foot joint. So basically I just kind of like put my pinky across all four of them and try to get them all to press down. I just feel like it makes it ring a little bit better and makes it a little bit more flat and stable. So regular G is this. Alternate that makes it sound better. And alternate that is easier to play, which is the same as C natural. That's G. Okay, now on to A flat. A flat fingering is this high one here, where you basically put these three fingers down. And the alternate for this is amazing, works really well. You put these two fingers down. Pinky is like optional. So with the addition of these two fingers, the note gets a little bit more flat and doesn't crack as much. Now, if you're in a situation where you want to play the harmonic is harder to get out for this note because it's so high, but you can play C sharp. There you go. Okay, now on to A natural. This is the regular fingering for A natural. And there aren't a whole lot of alternates for this one. Sometimes you can overblow like a lower A to get it to come out. But what I find I need most is if the A is sharp or if it's cracking, I can put down the F sharp key and fork it like I do for my F natural. Makes it a lot more flat, but if your A is just like crazy sharp, that's a great trick. Now on to B flat. So B flat has a lot of different fingerings that you can use to make it come out more easily or just to make it sound like a note at all. Every flute's going to be a little bit different, so on some flutes, some fingerings work better, but the base, like, standard fingering is B key, first finger, and trill key. So that is pretty much, and no pinky, that's pretty much B flat. It's only 3 keys. Now you can also put down that key. You can also put down your first finger. And there you go. Those are kind of all of the options. I didn't get into trill fingerings in this video, but there are some of those. If you'd like another video where I go over high note trill fingerings, just leave me a comment because I would be happy to do one. And there you go. That is all of the high note fingerings. So good luck with your practicing. Please let me know if any of you have any more questions, and share this video with a friend if you think they might find it helpful. We'll see you in the next video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.